Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to MS Excel. MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet developed by Microsoft as a tool for calculation, creating graphs, and other uses. Simple arithmetic calculations as well as very complex scientific ones can be done very quickly in Excel. It works as a powerful calculator as it has several pre-installed formulae for most of the calculations one may need to perform. Excel has wide-ranging graphical tools which enable data to be viewed in the form of variety of charts. This in turn facilitates easy understanding and analysis of data. It has very good word processing capabilities too. Therefore, copying, pasting, moving, deleting and formatting text is very easy. Getting started with Excel. To open Excel, you have to click on the start button and in the search box type Excel, then open that Excel. This is the spreadsheet, also known as worksheet. By default, there are three worksheets are there for each and every workbook. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. If we want to extra sheet, we can add by clicking Insert Worksheet. So now the sheet 4 is added extra. Here A, B, C, D, these are all the column names. These are all the columns denoted by A, B, C, D, E, F like that. Next 1, 2, 3, these are all the rows. So where you are clicking, that means where is the mouse pointer located, that cell is known as the active cell. What is meant by cell? Cell is the intersection of rows and columns. Intersection of rows and columns is a cell. These are all the cells. Which cell you are selected, that is known as the active cell. Now this is the active cell. The name of the cell is C5. Here the name of the cell. So this is the name box denoted the name of the cell. So always the cell name, column letter followed by the row number. Here this cell is a C5, that is in C column in 5th row. So the cell name is always start with column name followed by the row number. Okay. So cell is an intersection of rows and columns. Okay. This is the formula bar. Which cell you are selected and entering the formula, that formula is displayed in the formula bar. The formula is always start with equal letter. That means equal sign. Equal to sign. Okay. Next. Now we are going to create a mark sheet. For that I have to enter the name of the mark sheet. Now I want to create a mark sheet for grade 6. That means mark list or result sheet, anyone you want to give. Here first I have to select that cell name. So first one, here I want to enter the title of the worksheet. So here mark list I am going to create. So mark list for grade 6. Okay. Next I want to give a column title, that is the label. So here I want to give the roll number. Roll number. Next name of the students. Then subject names. First one English. Then Tamil. Third one Maths. Next Science. Next social. And then last one is total. I want to display the total also. So this is these are the headings. This is called labels. These are all called labels. Next one, here I want to enter the name of the students. The first one is, so I want to leave one gap. So I am starting the next line, that is in B6. B6 I am going to enter the name of the students. So the first one is Ravi. Next the student name is Babu. Next one is Sita. Next one is Mala. First I enter the name, then I want to enter the subject marks. The first one, English 67, then Tamil 89, then Science 90, and 56, then 89. I'm giving 89. Next, I want to give 34, 45, and 47, 65, and 51. Okay. Next student, I want to enter the next one. For next student, 56, 65, and 54, and 78, and then 76. Okay. The last student's mark I want to enter now. So 23, 24, 34, 43, and 45. Okay. Okay, I'm completed now. Then I want to enter the roll number for this student. So first one, I want to enter here. The first one 1, then for second student 2. After that, no need to enter for all the one by one. So the first 2 is enter one by one. Then I have to select the both cell together. Then on the right lower corner, the square button is there. I have to the over that square box, the plus sign is there. So just I drag it. Automatically the next number, the series of numbers are printed there. Next one is total. Here I am going to compute all the marks. Here I want to do the calculations. So for that I have to enter the formula. So for that I have to first enter the equal sign followed by the column names. So that means cell names. The first one is English mark, where it is entered C6. So C6, then add plus sign, then D6 followed by E6, next F6, sorry, so first enter equal sign to calculate the total. First I have to enter equal sign, then followed by the cell name. The first one is here the C6, so C6, then followed by plus sign, then D6, then plus sign, E6 plus F6 plus G6. That's it. Next I have to keep the mouse wherever. So the total is entered here. So I have to, after completing the formula, I have to keep the mouse pointer in other places to remove the selection here. So then select the cell and keep the mouse pointer on the square box. Over that square box, the plus sign will come. Then just you drag it. Automatically the total, after removing the selection, immediately the answer will be displayed on the screen. That's all. Now the calculation, everything is over. After that I want to select this and I give in a bold letter. So select and give bold. So automatically the selection area will be displayed in the bold letter. That's all. Now the mark sheet is created and also calculations also done. So after that I want to change the worksheet name. Here in sheet 4 I did the mark list. I prepared the mark list. So I want to change the name of the worksheet. So for that I have to right click the worksheet and rename option is there. Select that, rename, and enter the for grade 6. So just I enter. So now the sheet name is mark 6. Now I want to add this. I want to save for future use. So click this button and select the save option. Now the save as dialog box is displayed. Here I want to select the location where I want to save. So I want to save in the desktop. First you select this desktop, and then here in the file name I want to give the name of the file. So mark list grade 6. Okay, now I changed this. Finally select the save button. That means click the save button. So the mark sheet is changed. Now the name of the book was changed. So mark list 6. Okay, that's all. So I want to copy and move in the next place. I can just you select cells and then right click this and copy, press the copy button, then wherever I want I can paste it here. So see, I want to paste this means, so just right click, again the paste option is here, so I can paste this. So the same marks I pasted here, and then right click the and give the delete option. So here the options will be given, entire row, entire column. So what I want to delete entire row, so click OK, then entire row will be deleted. Okay, so I completed this worksheet, I saved this. Now I want to close. Just click the close button to select the save option for save the changes. Now the file is saved in the desktop. That's all the lesson. You can work out in your system. Thank you.